Hello guys, in today's video we are unboxing the legendary Nokia 105. This is the cheapest phone you can get for making calls and texting. Price of this phone is 1000 rupees. This is the 4th edition of this phone and it is single SIM variant. If we see the specs mentioned on the box, it can give 15 hours of talk time and 26 days of standby time. Can your phone do that? Nope. Of course it has a LED torch and it comes with a 1.7-inch display. It can store up to 2000 contacts and has a FM radio also. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. This is as basic as you can go. Here is the phone. Let's keep that aside. We get a standard micro USB charger. There is nothing special about the charger. It has little short cable and there is some paperwork. If we look at the phone, it has a really small footprint. If you are coming from using a large phone, then you will feel that it is even smaller. You have a micro USB port, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a LED torch on the top. Headphone is not provided in the box, but you can use this port for FM radio. Now let's boot it up and see the software and internals. I had already put the battery inside and I can't tell you how small this phone feels. It has a color display which was not used to be there in old Nokia phones. Display looks pretty pixelated, but it's all good. Keypad is rubberized but tactile. You get classic games such as Snake. Forget PUBG, this used to be real addiction back in the day. So for whom this phone is made? For elderly people who don't want any fancy device for getting the job done. This phone will be really helpful. Also for someone who is studying or preparing for any exams and don't want to get distracted, this is the best deal you can get. So that's all for today's short video. If you want to buy this phone, I have put the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will catch you in the next one.